back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. You will have to hit the little more symbol probably to open the description box up to see everything. And I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, a like button, and of course, if you know anybody who would benefit from this job lead, share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Myriad Genetics. This is going to be medical data entry. This is going to be in the healthcare field. They do have 533 reviews from current and past employees, and they do have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a patient advocate data entry remote, and it says this is remote for the United States. They're looking for a data entry specialist to fill the role of creating electronic patient charts in their internal systems for incoming oncology patients. Now, this is going to be completely non-phone data entry, except for when you have to be on meetings with your team and supervisor. But that's pretty much given in any job. But other than that, the actual job is not talking with patients. What you're going to be doing is working independently doing that data entry. You'll input and manage that patient data from a variety of sources in a timely manner and ensure that orders are fully processed at the highest level of accuracy. You'll translate critical healthcare information and test orders from test request forms into the database using the SOPs and resources that you're given. You're going to use logic and rules to interpret possible errors on handwriting or communications. You'll review your received orders and required elements, effective communication, and getting any of those missing elements. So you are going to have to work with your team members and leadership to resolve any arising issues. So this is going to be completely non-phone, except for you do need to be able to communicate on camera and in microphone for video meetings. Best part about this job is no college degree is needed. They're looking for somebody who can navigate a computer well, who has a high school diploma or GED, and experience using Microsoft Office systems. They would like you to have experience with the 365 systems, but all of those Office systems are still Outlook, Word, Excel, those types of things. They do want somebody who can type at least 50 words per minute, handle complex issues, and take feedback and open constructive criticism. So you've got to be willing to learn, basically. Now, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, salary for this position is anywhere from $34,320 a year all the way up to $38,610 a year. $38,000 a year is a little over $18 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.